First letter is the letter E. E says E, 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 or like Elsa.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'd like to do something a little harder with you. It's not going to be hard, you can do this. Today we're going to draw Elsa from Frozen. The movie is coming out, Frozen 2, it's coming out very soon, and I'd really like to work on this with you. So let's start. Same as always, we're going to go near the top of our page. We're going to go just a little bit lower than the top. And just like I always do, I'm going to use an oval for the head. You can use an oval, but go ahead and use a circle if you like that better. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is put the eyes. Remember, I do the eyes one on the left side, one on the right side, because I want them low, because that makes her look cuter. So watch this. We're going to do about here. I'm going to do ovals today. A colored in oval and a colored in oval right there. Now, because it's Elsa, let's give her some eyelashes because she's really pretty. So let's go 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay. And I'm going to make her happy. This is going to be happy Elsa once she comes back with Anna. So let's give her a smile. And I think we're good there. Okay. The next thing I would like to do, I think we're going to do her hair next. So remember how Elsa has that braid that's long and comes down on one side? So just sort of off to the side here, more toward the right side than the left side, we are going to come and do a curved line like a swoop. And look at how close down I get it to the eye. You will probably want to go in and erase some of that after. Just makes her look cuter. On the right side, come right over here and do another swoop about there. So it's starting to look like hair. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to do this side first. So we're going to come slightly above this line, and we're going to go all the way down to about there. Okay, because this is that hair that's coming back to the braid. And then we're going to go above the oval and do a line that goes to about there. Can you see how it's starting to look like hair already? Now here's how I do the braid. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to do curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. Maybe one more right here to get them the same. I'm going to draw a little oval for her elastic that's holding the hair in. And then we're going to do like a teardrop shape here. So we'll go curve and curve. And that's the end of her braid. Isn't she looking cute? Okay, let's do her body. Now you know how I like to draw it. I like to have a big head and a little body just because I love the cuteness. So I'm going to do 2 lines for a little neck. And then on each side of that neck, I'm going to do a line across. So out and out. And then we're going to turn this into a triangle. So just come from the left side and go down, and then the right side and go down. Okay, easy so far? Okay, friends, now come down here and we're going to do another triangle. Isn't that easy? Okay, guess what? There's going to be another triangle. This one's going to be going the opposite way. So we're going to start about here and go line down, and across. Now, I'm going to do her arms really easy, and part of this is because you know in the first movie how Elsa's parents like her to keep her hands concealed. So there, we're going to just have her hands right behind her back. So if we do a line here and a line here, she's hiding her hands behind her back so she can't freeze Anna or anybody else. Let's do her feet next. I'm just going to do ovals, so I'm going to do one on the left, one on the right, and the last thing I would like to add is her cape. So we'll come over here and we'll go whoop, like that, and then we'll join from here and go over here. And we're going to do a similar thing on this side. We're going to go down. We've got that braid in the way, so then we'll come out and join it over there. And there we have our Elsa. Okay, friends, I want you to pause the video and I want you to color in your Elsa, make her really pretty. If you want to add the crown, you can go and do that. If you want to add any other details, maybe you want to do a little Olaf standing beside her here, you go ahead and do that. I can't wait to see what you've done. Send me some pictures in the comments below. Okay, go ahead. Get ready to write. This time we are dealing with a name, and I think you know that there's something special about the letters in names. So we're going to think the letter E was the letter we were working on today, and we know that E's short sound is eh, eh, eh. So we know we're going to put that at the beginning of Elsa. So here's my E. I'm going to copy what it looks like. It's a capital because it's a name. So we're going to start at the top and go down for our E, and then 1, 2, 3 across. Okay, let's sound that one out. L, 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 L. Let's go to the L probably. Is that what you're saying? L. Let's read it so far. Put your finger under the E. Here we go. L, 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 S, S, S. What letter are you thinking? Shout it out. L, S, S. Are you thinking S? Me too. Now it's a lowercase s, so we're coming below this little dotty line, and we're going like this, just like a snake. All right, let's read what we have so far. Else, else, Elsa, What are you thinking, friends? I feel like the sound that says is a U. Are you thinking that? Are you thinking something different? I want you to put what you think. I'm going to try a U because Elsa. I'm going to put it there just like that. Let's put our finger at the beginning and let's read it together. Elsa, Elsa. Great work. Okay, friends, let's check our spelling. I'm going to tell you how it's really spelled. We really do have a capital letter E like that. Give yourself a pat on the back or a cheer if you got that right. We really do have a lowercase L. Nice job. And we also actually have a lowercase s. Look at, so far we're right on track. Now guess what? Even though it sounds like Elsa, it's actually Elsa. Elsa, we don't say Elsa, but in real life, it's actually an A. So look at how close we were. We were so very close, and we're just learning how to spell, so we're doing a great job. Give yourselves a pat on the back, friends, and I will see you next time.